Hi guys, well I'm back with another makeup tutorial and it's RakshaBandhan 2020, time for some festive Indian vibe. I have created this look that will suit best with all the Indian attires as well as modern attires. I have added some simple jewelry with this look, so let's get started. At first, I'm filling my eyebrows. I like to keep my eyebrows very simple and natural. I have used Essence Eyebrow Style Kit with angled eyebrow brush to thicken my brows. Next, I'm applying powder blush on my cheeks, sweeping the brush in circular motion for a finished look. I've also added a pearl bindi for this look. Next, I'm applying contour. Suck your cheeks and follow the line from top of the ear to just below the corner of your mouth. I'm applying contour under my cheekbones and below my jawline thoroughly. That makes my face look more angular and in good shape. Next, I'm adding some highlighter over my cheekbones, bridge of my nose and also on my cupid's bow. Proceeding further, I'm smudging Loreal black gel eyeliner underneath. To build my base, I'm smoking it around my eyelid. Make sure while placing it, you leave a small inch gap in inner as well as outer corner so that when you blend, it doesn't go out of the zone or the area. Now I'm carefully blending the black gel eyeliner. This look requires quite a bit of blending, so at first I blended it with a clean brush and later I took this pink eye shade to blend those harsh black patch you can see on my eye crease. So these matte shades are a little harder to blend as compared to shimmer eye shades. Again, I have taken a pink eye shade on my blending brush. I have spent a little more time to get that uniform smoked out finish. Blending it all, it's all about how you blend both the shades together. Now I've taken brown eyeshadow on my blending brush and patted it directly in between lash line and crease line and then blending it thoroughly all over the crease area. Proceeding further by using Color Bar Kohl Kajal in shade Cocobar 02, applying in my waterline thoroughly and later smudging some brown eyeshadow on top of it for more long-lasting effect. And at last, I've used eyelash curler to curl my lashes and further added mascara to my eyelashes to give it more volume. This finishes my look. I hope you like this makeup tutorial look that I've created. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye.